Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Parashar. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to call an external SOAP service in Oracle Integration Cloud. In the previous video, we will learn how to expose an integration as a SOAP service using the SOAP Adapter Invoke Role. In this video, we will do the opposite. We will consume an external SOAP service using SOAP Adapter in Invoke Role. As we discussed in last video, to expose a SOAP service in OIC, we can use an abstract WSDL. But to call an external SOAP service, we must have a concrete WSDL or a WSDL URL provided by external system. This is because OIC needs the binding information, the transport protocol, and most importantly, the endpoint location, all of which are available only in concrete WSDL. For today's demo, we will use a publicly available SOAP service, which is a calculator service exposed at this particular location as you can see on your screen. This service provides four operations: add, subtract, multiply, divide. Let me quickly show you how this visual looks and what operations it exposes. On Google, you can simply search calculator visual free online, and this will be the first link that you see here. And in this, if you can see, this looks similar to what we created in our previous video. However, this has four different operations, and it has service tag here, which is giving us the complete location, which is extremely important whenever we want to call this service. And if we come up, it has add element that takes int a and int b of integer type. Similarly, then it has a response of integer type. Then it subtract, multiply, divide. These are the four different elements that it has and the four different response element it has. And under the message, it shows which will be the input parameter of the operation, what will be the output parameter of the operation. And under this operations, if you can see, it has add operation, and then it has subtract, multiply, divide. So essentially four operations. Pretty straightforward. So for demonstration purposes, we will expose a REST service in OIC. The REST service will accept two numbers as a query parameter, and inside the integration, we will use the SOAP adapters invoke role to call one of the calculator SOAP operations. Finally, we will return the result back to the REST caller. And this approach is very common in real projects where modern systems expose REST APIs but still need to integrate with legacy SOAP-based systems. So let's jump into the demo and build this integration step by step. Once you are logged into your OIC console, let's go to the connection and let's just create a SOAP connection with invoke role. So let's select SOAP here. SOAP invoke calculator. And under the role, let's keep it invoke. Let's create. Under the security, the URL that we will use doesn't have a security. We can select no security policy here. And under the visible URL, we can give the same URL that we just saw. So we can copy the URL from here and we can simply just paste that URL here and click on test. And we can click on test here. And once it's done, we can save it. Now let's go back. Let's go to the integration and let's create one integration named demo soap invoke. Now let me create this. And as I said, we can use REST as our trigger point. And let's just do addition. We will use two numbers as query parameters and we'll send the response back. Let's give num1 of integer type and num2 again of integer type. Let's continue. And in the response, let's just give result 1 2 3. Continue and we can finish it. Fair enough. And now we can invoke our SOAP calculator service from here. Continue. And it from the WSDL, it selected the service name and it asks us the port. It is SOAP 11 or SOAP 12. We can select SOAP 11, doesn't matter. And addition. And it automatically checks the request and response from the WSDL. Let's continue and finish it. Now the response will be the response of our calculator service with the response or the result of our service. Validate and let's go back. And now let's map those two numbers as well. The SOAP body, add int a and int b, and we will get query num1 and num2. Validate. Let's go back. Let's give it identifier and save it. So now we have used SOAP invoke to call an external service. Now go back and let's activate this service and test it. Now let's run it. Let's give 12 and 13 and run. And the result is 25. So now in previous video and today's video, we have learned how you can create a SOAP service in OIC or how you can call a SOAP service in OIC. And there is nothing much or there is nothing extra that you need to know how to handle a SOAP service within OIC. So thank you so much for your time. And as always, keep learning.